This is the box with the 4K dash camera in it for Toyota CHR 2021. You can find the 4K Ultra HD Dash Cam with OEM look for Toyota CHR in the video description below. The camera is from Mangold, a company that produces front and rear view cameras for almost any car such as Audi, Buick, BMW, Cadillac, Chrysler, Cheesy, Dodge, Ford, GMC, Honda, Jeep, Lexus, Lincoln, Mazda, Porsche, Ram, Subaru, Toyota, Volkswagen, Volvo. Those are some instructions when you need to connect the dash cam to your phone. So, inside the 4K dash camera box you get a trim removal tool to protect the plastic surfaces when you need to remove some parts from the car. These are the plug-and-play cables from the dash camera to the lane assist system of the car. Here is the 128GB microSD memory card that you have to insert it in the dash camera. Those are 3 red clamps that you have to install it on the dash camera housing. This is the user manual and 2 cable ties. Here is the plastic housing with integrated 4K dash camera. The dash camera is mounted in the interior above rearview mirror without disturbing or obstructing the driver's visibility, like an OEM Toyota video camera. 1. Remove the plastic cover from above the rearview mirror using a trim removal tool. The Mangold 4K dash cam for Toyota CHR is powered directly from the car's lane assist cable, making it easy to connect and hide inside the sensor housing. The dash cam turns off automatically with the car and is not powered by a separate battery that can overheat. It can fit perfectly behind the rear view mirror like original. No messy wiring exposed, no complicated rewire at all. Perfectly integrated with Toyota CHR 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. Two, remove the black housing by pushing it forward. Three, install those 2 red clips on the plastic cover. 4. Insert the memory card into the slot on the dash cam. Five. Disconnect the gray plug and connect it to the dash cam cable and the one from the dash cam to the car. Six. Install the dash cam in place. Seven. Hide all the cables in the plastic cover and then install the small cover. Don't forget to peel off that sticker from the camera's glass. Eight. Download the SkyCam app using the QR code from the user manual or from the App Store or Play Store. Then connect the dash cam via Wi-Fi using your phone. This way you will have all the recorded videos by the dash cam on your phone. You have to connect the dash camera via Wi-Fi to your mobile phone first. If you open the SkyCam app, you can see the app settings where you can choose the language and the date format. Here are most of the languages from where you can choose. Here you can see a video tutorial on how to install the 4K dash cam for your car. Here is a list with many car models that you can choose to see the installation tutorial. Let's see if we can find the Toyota CHR tutorial. Here it is. Let's open it. Okay. If you go to Solution to App Connection Issues, there's some instructions that we need to follow if it's necessary. For the moment, we have nothing in the album section. If you go to Camera, you can see the dash camera recording. And if you go to Camera Files and then in the Loop section, you can see all the video recordings from the dash camera. You have to know that loop recording can automatically replaces old videos with the newest ones when the memory card is full. You also have the Snapshot section where you can see the pictures that you have made by pressing the button from the dash camera. In the Locked section, you can find the locked videos if the car have been involved in a car accident. The 4K dash cam has a G-sensor that detects a sudden collision and immediately save and lock current video to a specified folder. And Parking section where you can find recording videos that were made when the dash cam was in parking mode. In camera settings, you can turn on the sound recording and the speaker volume. You can modify the image resolution and video resolution. You can change the loop recording, which is the length of the video recording. You can turn on the parking monitoring collision detection and start recording, providing 24 hours protection of your car. You can change the parking monitoring duration between 12 hours, 24 hours, or 48 hours. Also, you can download each video from the dash cam, or you can copy it from the SD card. Here's how this 4K dash cam mounted on a 2021 Toyota CHR films during the day. The camera's resolution is not at its maximum. We set it to a 2K resolution, but the camera can also film in 4K. So even so, you can see the very good image quality, and almost everything in the video is distinguishable. The time and date on the video are set automatically when you connect to your phone. At night, the dash cam films quite well. You can see the traffic signs very clearly, both those on the road and those on the sides. Even in less well-lit places, the image played by the camera has a very good quality. So, you can find it below at the link in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.